The United States has attempted to seize another sanctioned vessel off the coast of Venezuela in international waters. The move marks the latest escalation in Washington's efforts to enforce sanctions against Venezuela's oil and shipping networks. U.S. officials said the vessel was suspected of transporting sanctioned crude or petroleum products in violation of American restrictions imposed on the government of President Nicolás Maduro. While details of the operation remain limited, officials indicated that U.S. authorities acted under existing sanctions enforcement authorities, which allow for the interception of ships linked to sanctioned entities when operating outside Venezuelan territorial waters. It was not immediately clear whether the vessel was successfully seized or diverted, or which flag it was sailing under. The Venezuelan government has ordered naval escorts for some oil shipments and warned that further U.S. actions could provoke a regional confrontation. The United States maintains that its actions are lawful and aimed at preventing sanctions evasion, not disrupting legitimate international shipping.